Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about 3 of my favorite clever print-on-demand strategies that I'd like to share with you. We're also going to talk about the free shipping myth, what you need to know about that, and there will also be an article version of this video in the description box below on my Medium account. So let's have a look at the print-on-demand strategies, and these apply to any platform that you're using for print-on-demand, whether that is TeePublic, Teespring, whether that is Redbubble, or even Etsy as well. So if you're looking to make your print-on-demand business more profitable, I'm going to dive in this video and talk about the 3 of my favorite clever best top strategies that boost print-on-demand sales. So let's talk about the power of retargeting, expanding your custom audience. So one of the most effective tools in the print-on-demand industry is the power of retargeting. So if you've browsed an online store only to see an ad for the same product on a social media later, you've experienced retargeting. So custom audiences are essential to successful retargeting. A customized audience group of people based on specific interactions with your business. So while retargeting those who visited your site is crucial, the biggest tip here is to explore additional custom audience sources. For example, consider creating custom audiences of people who interact with your Instagram account or your Facebook page. What this does is it allows you to show ads to a broader range of potential customers, maximizing your advertising efforts as well. The second strategy is creating urgency and scarcity. So driving immediate sales through the power of urgency and scarcity. What that does, it is a powerful psychological trigger, and it boosts sales in your print-on-demand store. So while lack might be hard to achieve when it comes to your print-on-demand products that don't run out, what we're trying to utilize here is urgency. It can be utilized effectively. So rather than offering a permanent discount, create a time limited sale tied to actual events and actual seasons. So for example, let's say you're selling a summer themed product, offer a discount code that expires on the first day of summer. Same thing when it comes to events as well, such as winter, such as Christmas or Eid. This creates a sense of urgency that this discount can only be used until this time, until this season ends, or until this date ends, or this event ends. It creates a sense of urgency, a sense of, damn, I have to, I'm going to probably miss out if I don't. This is a one-time thing only. And it encourages the customers to purchase before the deal disappears. A couple of things I want you to know about the technique of urgency and scarcity is, first of all, remember to celebrate your shipping strategy. Consider offering free shipping for orders above a certain amount during that sale. Also, you can alternatively advertise a flat rate shipping fee as well for all orders. Another thing that you could do is highlight your shipping benefits. It can significantly impact your customers' decision-making process. The third and final strategy is the free shipping myth. So finding the right balance. Now, contrary to popular belief or what people might think as well, offering free shipping is one of the many ways to attract customers. And this is something that many of the print-on-demand stores do. They charge for shipping, and customers, they're willing to pay for it if they see that there is value in the products that you have to offer and overall shipping experience as well. So what you can do here is you can consider implementing a shipping strategy that incentivizes and encourages purchases while protecting your profit margin. For example, offer free shipping for orders above a specific amount. Don't just make a free shipping for all and everything. Give the customer a free shipping once they order, for example, 50 and above, €50, $50 and above, or any amount that you specify. This encourages customers to add more items to their carts, and it also creates a value for your item as well. Alternatively, advertise a flat rate shipping fee and emphasize its convenience and its transparency. For example, offer that flat rate of, depending on where you live, for example, a $5 flat rate shipping fee for orders that are 3 kilos and under. That's that's going to be like, yeah, the customer is going to pay that shipping despite, whatever, how many products they purchased, what the total price was, they are going to pay that amount because it is the charge for shipping. So by using the 3 strategies that I talked about, you can strike a balance between customer satisfaction and your store's print-on-demand profitability. And if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.